Hi everyone, this is Venice and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you to one of my favorite places to eat and hang out here in Utsunomiya. "38HOUSE" offers authentic Sri Lankan curry and Japanese izakaya dishes, which is owned by Saya. She built the business together with Poppy because of their passion for cooking. And Saya's Japanese background and Poppy's Sri Lankan heritage influence what kind of dishes they serve on their menu. By far, they are famous for their Sri Lankan curry dishes.
Oishii!
On lunchtime, they open from 11:30 a.m. till 2 p.m. And for dinner, they open from 5:30 p.m. till 12 a.m. on weekdays, and till 1 a.m. during Fridays and Saturdays. I would suggest calling them or go to their site to make reservations beforehand, especially during the weekends. I'll be putting the link on the description box below. For lunch, they offer a set meal of curry dish with basmati rice, miso soup, desserts, and drinks, aside from the a la carte menu. I went there with my friends for dinner and drinks, and we get to try several dishes on the menu.
This is
Saya-san was nice enough to let me see how they make the egg cheese roti with mutton curry dip, which is, by the way, my favorite dish on the menu, and I highly recommend you to try it.
okay.
Hey, finished product!
This is the egg cheese roti.
Egg cheese roti.
Sri Lanka.
Itadakimasu.
いただきます。かける感じかな。
How is it? Oishii!
ちょっと辛い。
ちょっと辛い。From Tobu Utsunomiya Station, it only takes a short 6-minute walk to reach the place, which is just around the area of Oriondori Street, and 17 minutes walk if coming from Utsunomiya JR Station. You may also take bus numbers 55, 50, or 53 at platform number 1 and alight at Tochigi Kensho Mae bus stop, then walk 2 minutes to reach the location, which is only gonna cost you 150 yen and takes approximately 7 minutes. If you are driving your car, there are several paid parking spaces and one is just behind the restaurant. I'll be putting the link of the location on the description box below. So, if ever you happen to be in Utsunomiya, I would highly recommend this place, especially if you like to eat good spicy food or just eat and drink with friends in a very homey kind of atmosphere. Again, thank you for watching my videos and I hope to see you again soon on my next one. Goodbye! Bye, bye.